Welcome all crypto investors to this week's update on the hottest trends. Let's dig into the charts for the latest developments in search for massive gains. So smash the like button and subscribe to grow our network into the greatest crypto trading channel. Now, onto the show. Okay everyone, let's dig into Guildfi. Ticker symbol is GF. So you might be saying, hey, why are we digging into Guildfi right now? This doesn't really make much sense. And just hear me out on this. So trend, you're saying, hey, it's not on a very good trend. We're looking like we're only looking neutral right now. With the spot price is currently trading, as you can see here on TradingView. I'm using the OKX data on TradingView. And spot price right now is at $1.68. It's called $1.69 after fees, which you're probably going to pay through an exchange anyways. So I'm just going to round up to $1.69. So as you can see here with Guildfi, again, you might be asking yourself, where do I see the massive gains with this asset? My point is this a good entry point for this asset? I don't do any gaming on Guildfi or the as you can see here, because they just had $1 billion, which is a lot of money. This is the reason why I'm talking about it, is that Guildfi secures investment fund from Binance Smart Chain, the $1 billion fund, right? So now that they have secured financing, it sounds very good fundamentally, right? Fundamentals are looking great. If you dig into this article right here from Medium, you can see that they've had a tremendous growth across the different platforms they have. So you can see here from the gaming center, they have the guild zone, the NFT zone, the tool zone, and the treasury zone. And it says here, with the 5 pillars of this foundation, Guildfi aims to provide a solid gateway for users to access and navigate the metaverse. So again, this is not just a trend play. This is a fundamental trend and tech play all at the same time. So that's kind of why I'm kind of deviating away specifically from just trend, and I'm talking more about fundamentals and tech, just because should this be the case, and we're obviously going to see meta coins, the meta asset classes, if you want to call it that, I might be the first one to ever say that, the meta asset class, this might be a good price point to jump in. And again, I'm deviating away from the trend price here, right? And the trend analysis this is what my channel is all about, the trend. But nonetheless, you can still use trend to get you a good price point on some fundamentals. So on a fundamental, I don't want to confuse anyone here saying like, oh, invest, this asset's going to take off in 2022. Like, I just think this is a good price point because what I'm seeing, what they're doing fundamentally across with this coin, across all the other meta stuff that's going on, right? Excluding formerly called Facebook, but forget them. Their stuff is probably going to be trash anyways. You have real organizations like Guildfi, and I'll just make this video really short, and I'm not seeing huge gains. I'm just seeing a good price point going forward into 2022, because as you can see here, we've really bounced off this price floor at about trend level, or the EMA moving, the EMA price, we're looking at something about $1.50 price range, about $1.50. That's just a rough average, okay? I'm just throwing out a ballpark figure. Don't hold me to it. So, let's say we bounce off this price floor. Let me just jump this bad boy up right there, and let me make sure it's even. Yeah, at about $1.50, okay? And right now it's $1.67. Okay, we're definitely getting it a few percentage points above that $1.50, but nonetheless, I still think this is a good time, a good price point, a good price floor, because even if you jump in right now, for me personally, which I'll probably put in a position later today, even if I put in a little position, I'm willing to ride this bad boy out going forward, because I see this as a trend, obviously a trend play. If this is going to be a neutrality at about that $1.60, $1.50 range, I don't really care if it drops, to $1.50 overnight. Boom. I personally do not care. This is the crypto and digital asset class that you have to, expect vol like that. So I guess with this asset in this video, I want to combine the trend and the fundamentals. So if you go over here and check out, if you don't know, go check out Guildfi with Binance. They have Heroes of Mavia. I don't know if I pronounced that right. They have Cyball, and they also have Axie Infinity. And we all know about Axie Infinity. So, and like I said, go check out this article too on Medium. Guildfi secures investment fund from Binance's Smart Chain's $1 billion fund. this is going to be really, really good. And it talks about Guildfi. And just to let you know, this did come out on February 12th. So we're about a month away, and so price action hasn't really moved on it. And actually, if you look at the price action has actually moved negative towards it over the long term. So that's when it came out with that Medium article. It was really good. We had that good spike, as you can see there. I'm not claiming that's why, but coincidentally, they did announce that, and then boom, it did pummel back down to that $1.50 range. And I think this is just a good price point, bouncing off this price floor here. I mean, this is my opinion only and not financial advice. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this asset? Is it way overblown? Is there more time to be waited on it? Are we still way too early until these other metaverse applications are going on with their gaming? I don't know about the two other games. I only know about Axie Infinity. So again, let me know in the comments below, what do you think about Guildfi, Axie Infinity, and everything else they got going on. Let's go and let's get these gains. Thank you for watching the show. Since you stayed, please smash the like button, subscribe, and share. Wherever you are, good day, good afternoon, and good night. Let's get to it. I'm sorry, let's go and get those gains. I'm still going to leave that in the video. Let's go.